After dropping the dinghies off at the beach, I briefly headed out of the harbour, then pootled back to the pontoon. The total trip time was around 45 minutes including stops. The total round trip distance was 2.5 miles, and using around 20 amps means we could do this quite happily many times on one charge of the EcoPowerPro 150 amp hour battery. An alternative is to use the smallest 50 amp hour EcoPowerPro battery, but the maximum continuous output is limited to 50 amps. However, our EcoPower Max 50 amp hour battery will put out 100 amps continuously, meaning we can still easily swap out the battery for charging, but we can still only use 2/3 of the power of the 7.2 kilowatt Mitek 9.9 horsepower motor, which can actually easily pull 150 amps. Do remember, at displacement speeds, this additional power use would almost never be needed, as the safety boat won't go any faster unless it can reach planing speeds. We could also, of course, go down to the 6 horsepower 4.3 kilowatt Mitek electric outboard, but the 9.9 horsepower motor drives a bigger prop, making use of the amazing high torque characteristics of these fantastic electric motors. Email us on helpme@electric-outboard.co.uk or call 01590 619 315, and we'll be happy to give you a demo at your club or pop down to Lymington and come out with us.